Hi everyone, welcome to this video, welcome to my new channel where I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, but today I really just wanted to focus on one specific problem. I've been receiving a load of questions about the fact that Nicehash is in maintenance mode, and it's about the 6th time this year it's happening, and it keeps happening at the time where Bitcoin is reaching a peak in price. So why is this happening? I wanted to address that question, I wanted to answer it, and I wanted to talk about how I'm mitigating the problem that is arising as a result of this. I also wanted to put your mind at ease and tell you that I don't think this is something that you should be overly worried about, and I'm going to explain why. Nicehash was in maintenance mode today. Let's have a look at my payouts. So I can see that I'm on track. If I've got 1 hour 37 minutes to go, I know that I'm going to make about another £2.50 from that, which puts me at just almost £6, which is roughly what I was earning beforehand, which is good. So today I can see that my profits have been a little bit lower than they should be, especially there at £4.94. Am I concerned? No, not overly worried about it. Historically, when I've dealt with Nicehash and it's gone into maintenance mode and I've seen a big fat 0 all over my screen for a few hours, I've come back and I've been paid out. I've always got my money in the end. I've always got my Bitcoin in the end. It might have taken a while sometimes, but it's always come back. This has happened to me a few times. I really would not worry about it. I know a lot of you out there are really concerned about how your dashboards are looking. I don't think you have anything to be concerned about, in all honesty. Again, if I'm wrong and you've had a different experience, put it down below in the comments because I'd love to hear about it. I'm sure everyone else watching this video would too. So I can tell you for a fact on my side, every time it's gone into maintenance mode, I have not seen a change in my payouts. One time I didn't get paid out when I was meant to get paid out at one point, and then the payout was added to the next payout. So I wasn't really bothered. Nicehash have been pretty good at returning me the money that I'm owed. But let's see what message they have to say for us when we're trying to understand what's going on here. So they're saying when the last 48 hours, I'd probably say it's a lot longer than that. But Nicehash is experiencing some massive growth. You're still getting paid for every share. Don't disconnect your mining rigs. To mitigate the stats issue, we're going to turn off stats for a short period of time. Wow, this keeps popping up. Nicehash miner will lose any unpaid balance information for some time. So yeah, it has been. I can confirm when I open this, it's not showing anything. It's not even showing a current profitability right now, which is crazy. Why is this happening? I do think it's increased server traffic. There are a lot of people trying to make a load of transactions, especially when Bitcoin is at a high in its price. People are also directing their miners towards Nicehash much more. That's again going to increase traffic. The real problem lies in the fact that people want to cash out when Bitcoin is at a high, and they're not able to do that because Nicehash is inhibiting their ability to access their dashboards. So how am I mitigating that risk? What I'm doing is every 2.5, 3 days, I withdraw about £100 from my Bitcoin wallet that's sitting in Nicehash, and I put it straight into my Bitcoin wallet in Coinbase. That's the free transaction, by the way. What this means is that I can act and sell that as soon as I want to, and Coinbase is much more reliable. So I regularly withdraw to ensure that I don't actually have that much capital sitting in Nicehash. I don't trust its uptime, so that's what I do. I would strongly suggest doing the same. If you have any other bits of advice, again, put them in the comments section. Really interested to hear what you guys have to say. That's all I really had to talk about in this video. Let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know if you want another follow-up video on this, or if you have any different opinions. Would love to hear them. But until the next video, see you guys later.